Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a very long time I posted, and I hope you guys are enjoying my 1 minute videos. Those are like part of my braids I've done. So today I'll just be showing you how I use my kinky extensions to make magic on this very short hair. I'm sure you all can't wait to see how it's been done, and for those of you that bought my classes, you already understood how to do like a whole lot of things, but I just want to show the world again how this has been done. And thank you so much for those of you who are subscribing, for the comments. I mean, they blew my mind every time I read your comments. I'm super grateful. And guys, I just want you to see this video to the end and tell me what you feel at the comment section. So guys, we're almost at the end of the tutorial, and I hope this is really helpful. I mean, you can deduce one thing or the other, and I hope it's helping. So I would just want to encourage you that if you want to learn further, that you should purchase my class. That class will be of great help and benefit to your career when it comes to hairstyling. You would not regret purchasing every bit of it. Every bit of the class is worth it. So at this stage, you just want to arrange your braids very well so that it can give you that figure 8 kind of look in such a way that it will look really nice. Remember, we are not using bun this time around. So this would be the end of the class, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. Let me know what you feel at the comment section down below. And if you are new here, I advise or I encourage you to click the subscribe button, because this channel is everything you are looking for. There are more videos coming up, and it will be of great help and benefit to you. So enjoy the rest of the video, and bye guys, see you in my next video.
Ha 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 ha.